Bam. Merry Christmas. Day after Christmas. Got something really strange today. My mic isn't working. I gotta buy a new mic. I don't know what happened, but it's broken. Check out these glasses. Alright. Alright, you ready? Fruitcake. Alright. Walmart fruitcake. Not very expensive. Are you kidding, poor guy? No, I'm not kidding. Pancake batter. Just Bisquick. Bloop, bloop, bloop. What are we gonna do? You know. Whoop. Drop it in. Oh yeah. Look at that. Sizzle. Whoops. Kind of messy. This is what we're doing, everybody. What the heck? Oh. That one just busted. Oops. This fruitcake is pretty moist. It'll make it delicious. Oh yeah. Yep, we're gonna eat this. Who likes fruitcake?
Not me.
You know?
I'll still try it.
It's the day after Christmas. We had to do something festive. Right? And I looked it up on YouTube. I'm gonna tell you something right now. Nobody's done this. Nobody's done fruitcake on the Blackstone. Who's doing it? Poor guy with the Blackstone. Like, comment, subscribe. The most important part of that is subscribe.
Yeah.
Man, this is freaking weird. Is it not? Tori, what do you think?
It's very bizarre.
I just put a little canola oil down just to get some fry. I got the burners on super low because I don't want to burn this stuff. Oh yeah. See my oil? It's running down there. Let's add a slant. Let me take my gloves off and get this going. I'm going to turn it up just a little bit because I don't hear any sizzle. Nope, I don't hear any sizzle at all. So we did a video last week. It didn't work out. Like I said, my mic it's done. Yeah, it's done. So I'm going to have to buy a new one. Tori's going to figure some stuff out for me this week. And we'll see what the best option is. So pancake batter on fruitcake. What? What? Oh, look what I got from actually my birthday. Little heat guards. So you new Blackstoners. I'm sure there was a lot of people out there that got them for Christmas. I'm not going to touch them because they're hot. These little things just pop right on there. It blocks the wind. And in the summertime, it blocks the heat. And since I got like Generation 1 El Cheapo Blackstone. Oh no, look at I got it dirty.
Oopsies.
Little magnets to hold my stuff. Bam! Okay, here.
Anyways.
Yeah. So I got that. And these fit on there real nice. They just fit, you know, whoop, put them right on there. And they weren't very expensive. Tori got them actually for me for my birthday. So how much were they?
$40.
Oh. Never mind. They're expensive. Okay.
It was worth it.
Watch what you do. Okay. Let's flip. Oh. So, real curious as to how, oops, how the fruitcake inside there on heat is actually going to be. Aren't you curious a little bit? Now I saw a couple of guys, they deep fried like a whole fruitcake and they ate it. It was pretty entertaining. I don't know who they were. There was a lot of cussing in it, so if you don't like that, that's probably not the video for you, but if you just search fried fruitcake, you'll see it done. Well, it's about the Blackstone. I wasn't going to fry it, so Dawn actually came up with the idea. Let's do it in pancake batter. I said, sweetheart, you're so smart. You are so smart. It's almost done. I don't want to burn that pancake batter. I just used Bisquick. Just follow the directions.
I'm going to put syrup on mine, I think.
Say what now?
I think I'm going to put syrup on mine.
Really?
Yeah. It's like have pancake stuff.
Yeah, we're gonna test this out. Notice anything different? I hope you can hear me. I'm pretty disappointed about my mic. Merry Christmas. Yeah. All right. So we're gonna have to get that figured out by the next video. I do have some more ideas in my arsenal that we haven't done yet.
The chicken kebab. That was
Yeah, we did the one that my mic failed at. We're not giving up on that. It's just a matter of finding the time to sit down with Tori and do like a I don't know, kind of comical voiceover. Let's turn these off. Bloop. Bloop. Just add the 2 burners on. Because I don't know. It's done, right? Look at the pancake batter. It's gotta be done.
We're having steakums for dinner.
Steakums for supper.
Watch that video.
And I got a Blackstone makes you know, those little shaky spicy things they got. Dawn bought me for Christmas. It's a cheesesteak one. So we're gonna put some of that on. We're gonna try that out. Wow, that plate is hot. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Let's bring it in the house.
Oh, they rolled up their window.
Oh, that was rude.
Okay.
We're going to bring these in the house, these tasty morsels of pancake battered fruitcake. And we're going to try them. Oh, I can't wait. I love fruitcake. Who doesn't love fruitcake? Comment below. Everybody's going to try it. Everybody in the family. Let's cut it open. Well, the texture of the fruitcake hasn't changed at all. Isn't that kind of strange? I mean, what's the shelf life on this stuff? Does anybody know? I mean, it was sitting on the heat. Who wants to try it?
I'm trying it.
Really?
Yeah.
You want to be on camera?
No.
Okay.
All right. Let's everybody try it.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, go. Man, something happened to the video. Darn, we've had a lot of technical difficulties. Boy, I'll tell you, everybody really, really liked it. It was delicious. You know, putting it in the pancake batter was just, oh, just so good. It's just so good. So we're going to go ahead and eat this up really fast because we can't control ourselves. But, yeah, fruitcake on the Blackstone. Oh, look at that. Tell me you don't want some. I don't want some. Happy New Year, everybody.